Jack here, and I've got with me the X6. It's a wireless otoscope, and it's for cleaning out your ears. I've got my girlfriend with me, and she's got it in her ear right now, actually, and is digging around for earwax. Super cool that it works with the app. To get the app, it's really easy. You just open up the instruction manuals here, and inside, they'll show you a lot of different like safety information, but there's a QR code that you can use to download the app. Then you're basically just gonna set up, you're gonna connect to the device with your Wi-Fi, and then it shows you kind of like what to expect. And there's a bunch of different tools included. This shows you a little bit about how to use it. Be careful, obviously, especially the first time you use it, but there's a bunch of different tools here that are included for cleaning out your ear. And then there's a couple different tips here as well. These are the rubber tips that go on the end. These ones are what work with the camera. These ones don't work with the camera. These are just like additional things you can use. So you can see she's digging around there as I speak, trying to get all those, get the earwax out. There's, you know, you can check if you feel like you got something blocking your ear or if you haven't been hearing right. Let me see that real quick. So here is the device itself. You can see very small, about the size of a pen. You can turn on and off the light here just by holding it on. And then there is the little plastic piece on top is where those little pieces go on there. And then you just kind of stick it in there, swirl it around. When you turn it on, it lights up, which is really nice, and that lights up there. And then there's a little plug on the bottom for charging, which is really cool. So you can plug, there is an included charger, which is really nice. It's a USB-C charger to USB-A, and it disconnected when I turned it off, but I could reconnect it super easily. Anyway, if you feel like your hearing's been off or you wanna make sure your ears are clean, definitely recommend this little ear cleaning otoscope. It's a lot of fun, and I think it's a great buy. Thanks for watching.